Could the key to managing diabetes lie within your gut? The human body is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiota, that play a critical role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. But what if these tiny organisms could also influence conditions like diabetes? As diabetes rates continue to soar worldwide, researchers are discovering intriguing links between gut health and metabolic diseases like type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. How exactly does the balance of bacteria in our digestive system affect blood sugar control? Can improving gut health help in preventing or even treating diabetes? These are the questions scientists are beginning to answer. In this article, we will explore the fascinating relationship between gut microbiota and diabetes, diving into the latest research that's uncovering new possibilities for managing this complex disease. Next, let's take a closer look at the gut microbiota and its role in the body. The gut microbiota refers to the vast community of microorganisms living in our digestive tract, mainly bacteria but also viruses, fungi, and other microbes. While the idea of bacteria living in our bodies may seem unsettling, many of these microorganisms are crucial for our health. They help digest food, produce essential nutrients like vitamins, and play a key role in protecting us from harmful pathogens. In fact, about 70% of our immune system is located in the gut, largely influenced by these microbes. The balance of good and bad bacteria is vital. A healthy gut contains a wide variety of beneficial bacteria that keep harmful microbes in check. When this balance is disturbed, due to poor diet, stress, illness, or the use of antibiotics, it can lead to a condition called dysbiosis. Dysbiosis has been linked to several health issues, from digestive disorders to mental health problems, and more recently, to metabolic conditions like diabetes. Emerging research suggests that the composition of gut microbiota could influence how our bodies regulate blood sugar levels and store fat. Specific types of bacteria are thought to produce molecules that impact insulin sensitivity, the hormone responsible for regulating blood glucose. If these bacteria are imbalanced, it may contribute to insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Additionally, the gut can become leaky, allowing harmful substances to enter the bloodstream, leading to inflammation and further complications with blood sugar regulation. Understanding the gut microbiota's role in digestion and immunity sets the stage for exploring its surprising link to diabetes. But what exactly is diabetes, and how does this metabolic disorder develop? In the next section, we'll break down the different types of diabetes and how they affect the body, offering insight into why the gut may play a critical role in their progression. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how the body manages blood sugar, glucose, its primary source of energy. There are several types of diabetes, but the two most common forms are type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Though both result in high blood sugar, the underlying causes are quite different. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Insulin is a hormone that helps cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Without enough insulin, glucose builds up in the blood, leading to high blood sugar levels. Type 1 diabetes typically develops in childhood or adolescence and requires daily insulin injections for survival. Type 2 diabetes is much more common and primarily develops in adults, although it's increasingly seen in younger populations. This form of diabetes occurs when the body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough of it. Unlike type 1, type 2 is often associated with lifestyle factors such as poor diet, lack of exercise, and obesity. Over time, the body's ability to regulate blood sugar becomes impaired, leading to chronic high glucose levels, which can cause serious complications like heart disease, kidney failure, and nerve damage. Gestational diabetes is another form, affecting pregnant women. It usually resolves after childbirth but can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Additionally, prediabetes is a condition where blood sugar levels are higher than normal but not yet high enough to be classified as diabetes. Now that we have a clear understanding of the types of diabetes, the question remains: how does the gut microbiota influence these conditions? In the next section, we'll explore the growing body of research linking gut health to diabetes and the potential mechanisms behind this fascinating connection. Recent research has revealed a compelling link between the gut microbiota and the development of diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. Scientists have discovered that the composition of bacteria in our digestive tract can influence how our bodies process glucose, regulate insulin, and manage inflammation, all key factors in diabetes. One of the major ways gut bacteria affect diabetes is through their role in producing short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, which are byproducts of fiber digestion. SCFs help regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. When we consume a diet rich in fiber, beneficial gut bacteria thrive and produce more SCFAs, promoting better glucose control. However, in people with diabetes, studies have shown a reduction in SCFAs producing bacteria, suggesting that an imbalanced microbiota could worsen blood sugar regulation. Another way the gut microbiota influences diabetes is through its impact on the gut barrier, also known as the intestinal lining. In a healthy gut, this lining acts as a shield, preventing harmful substances from leaking into the bloodstream. However, when the gut microbiota becomes imbalanced, due to poor diet, antibiotics, or other factors, it can lead to leaky gut syndrome, where the intestinal barrier is compromised. This allows harmful molecules, such as toxins and bacteria, to enter the bloodstream, triggering widespread inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a known contributor to insulin resistance, which is a major cause of type 2 diabetes. Understanding this connection between the gut microbiota and diabetes opens the door to new potential treatments. But how exactly do these bacteria interact with our metabolism, and what role does diet and lifestyle play in shaping this relationship? The good news is that lifestyle choices can have a significant impact on gut health, which in turn can influence the risk of developing diabetes. One of the most important factors is diet. A fiber-rich diet, filled with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, allowing them to produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. In contrast, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats promotes the growth of harmful bacteria, which can disrupt the gut balance and increase the risk of insulin resistance. Exercise also plays a role in maintaining a healthy gut. Regular physical activity has been shown to increase microbial diversity, which is associated with better metabolic health and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, exercise improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels, further supporting a healthy gut environment. Stress management is another key factor. Chronic stress can negatively impact gut bacteria, leading to imbalances that promote inflammation and insulin resistance. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and adequate sleep help keep stress levels in check, supporting both gut and metabolic health. By making these lifestyle changes, it's possible to nurture a healthier gut, which may help prevent or manage diabetes. But can we go even further? In the next section, we'll explore emerging therapeutic approaches, such as probiotics, symbiotics, and fecal microbiota transplants, that aim to improve gut health for better diabetes outcomes. As our understanding of the gut microbiota's influence on diabetes grows, new therapeutic approaches are being explored to harness this connection. One promising avenue is the use of probiotics, live, beneficial bacteria that can be consumed through supplements or fermented foods. Probiotics are thought to help restore the balance of gut bacteria, potentially improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. Some studies suggest that specific strains of probiotics may even help regulate blood sugar levels, offering a natural way to manage diabetes. In addition to probiotics, symbiotics, a combination of probiotics and prebiotics, the fibers that feed good bacteria, are being investigated. Prebiotics help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, enhancing the overall health of the gut microbiome. Together, probiotics and prebiotics may work synergistically to improve gut health and, as a result, support better blood sugar control. A more cutting-edge approach is fecal microbiota transplantation, FMT. This involves transferring healthy bacteria from a donor's gut into a patient with dysbiosis, with the aim of restoring balance in their microbiome. Though still in its early stages, FMT has shown promise in treating metabolic disorders like obesity, which is closely linked to type 2 diabetes. These therapies highlight the exciting potential of gut-based treatments for diabetes, but there's still much to learn. In the next section, we'll discuss the current challenges in this field and the ongoing research that could pave the way for microbiome-based diabetes treatments in the future. While the link between gut microbiota and diabetes is promising, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. One major issue is the individual variability in gut microbiota. Each person's microbiome is unique, influenced by genetics, environment, and lifestyle. This makes it difficult to predict exactly how gut-based therapies, like probiotics or fecal microbiota transplants, will work for different people. What benefits one person may not be as effective for another, highlighting the need for personalized approaches. Another challenge is the long-term impact of these therapies. While studies on probiotics, prebiotics, and FMT show short-term improvements in gut health and blood sugar regulation, their long-term effectiveness is less certain. Researchers are still exploring whether these treatments can provide sustained benefits or whether ongoing intervention is needed. Consistency of research is also a hurdle. The gut microbiota is a complex ecosystem, and not all studies agree on which bacteria are most beneficial or harmful in relation to diabetes. This makes it difficult to develop standardized treatments that can be applied broadly. Despite these challenges, the potential of microbiome-based diabetes treatments is significant. Ongoing research continues to uncover new insights into how gut health influences metabolic diseases. As scientists learn more, we may one day see customized therapies tailored to an individual's unique microbiome, offering new hope for diabetes prevention and management. In conclusion, understanding and maintaining gut health may be key to managing diabetes and improving overall well-being. The connection between gut microbiota and diabetes offers a new frontier in managing this widespread condition. By nurturing a healthy gut through diet, exercise, and stress management, individuals can potentially reduce their risk of diabetes and improve blood sugar control. As research evolves, innovative therapies like probiotics and microbiome-based treatments may offer even more solutions. Take action by prioritizing your gut health today. Simple changes in your daily habits could make a big difference in both your metabolic health and overall well-being. Your gut might just hold the key to a healthier future.